Hello everyone. Today's topic will focus on 8 beverages that have natural blood sugar lowering properties. We'll be discussing diabetic friendly and tasty substitutes for the commonly consumed fruit juices, which may pose risks to your health due to their high sugar content. Our aim is to provide you with knowledge and confidence in understanding the effects of beverages on your health. Before we dive into the details, we kindly request you to show your support by liking this video, activating the notification bell for future updates, and subscribing to our channel for more informative content. Number 8. Water is a crucial component in this regard, and should be your primary choice of beverage. Even slight dehydration can impair bodily functions, leading to elevated blood sugar levels. Drinking water helps dilute glucose in the blood and aids in flushing out any excess glucose through the kidneys. Therefore, consuming plenty of water is the most effective way to dilute the blood and reduce blood glucose levels. The recommended daily intake of water is about 1.6 liters or 6 cups for women, and approximately 2 liters or 8 cups for men, though this may vary depending on lifestyle and individual factors. Moving on to number 7. Ginger tea is an excellent beverage that can help control blood sugar. To make ginger tea, steep grated ginger root in hot water and add a squeeze of lemon if desired. Ginger's health benefits are mainly attributed to its powerful antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties. Studies have shown that ginger can help regulate blood sugar levels in people with diabetes. Number 6. We have apple cider vinegar. This vinegar has gained popularity due to its ability to detoxify and alkalize the body. Although there isn't an abundance of research on this topic, some small studies have shown that apple cider vinegar can effectively control blood sugar levels. For instance, one animal study discovered that rats that were given apple cider vinegar had lower long-term blood glucose levels, measured as A1C. Another human study demonstrated that drinking 20 milliliters of apple cider vinegar mixed with water after a meal significantly reduced blood sugar levels. Furthermore, a clinical study published in the Journal of Nutrition Research found that drinking pomegranate juice can improve insulin resistance and reduce fasting blood glucose levels in individuals with type 2 diabetes. Number 5. If you're someone who needs their morning cup of coffee to start the day off right, we have good news for you. Moderate coffee consumption may actually benefit blood sugar levels. Coffee has also been linked to a reduced risk of cancer, heart disease, stroke, and Alzheimer's disease. Additionally, coffee contains trace levels of important nutrients such as magnesium and has an anti-inflammatory effect. However, it's important to note that some people with diabetes may be sensitive to caffeine, and it could cause short-term spikes in blood sugar levels. Therefore, it's best to monitor how your body responds to coffee. Number 4. Coconut water is a natural source of electrolytes like potassium and manganese that play a crucial role in maintaining healthy blood, muscle function, and nerve signaling. Despite its sweet taste, coconut water is low in sugar, which makes it an ideal beverage for those who want to avoid spikes in blood sugar levels. Studies conducted on rats have shown that coconut water stabilizes blood sugar and prevents retinal damage linked to diabetes. Moreover, drinking coconut water improves HbA1c levels, regulates blood sugar, and protects against oxidative stress. To reap the benefits of coconut water, it's important to avoid brands that contain added sugars and opt for fresh green coconuts when possible. Number 3. Beetroot juice is a nutrient-rich beverage packed with vitamins, minerals, and special plant compounds that enhance blood sugar balance. The high polyphenol and dietary nitrate content in beetroot have been found to positively affect glucose and insulin regulation. In a study published in the Journal of Nutritional Science, participants who drank half a cup of beetroot juice experienced a significant decrease in blood glucose levels after eating. Additionally, beetroot may help prevent carbohydrate overload in the body. Number 2. Red wine is widely acknowledged for its cardiovascular and blood health benefits. The polyphenols present in red wine have been demonstrated to improve fasting blood sugar levels. While white wine also contains useful polyphenols, they are much more abundant in red wine, making it the preferred option for health-conscious individuals. Nevertheless, excessive alcohol consumption can lead to liver and kidney problems, so it's best to follow guidelines and limit consumption to 1 or 2 glasses per day. Number 1, tea. Tea is a globally popular beverage with numerous health advantages due to the diverse plant compounds it contains. Certain types of tea, such as black tea, green tea, and oolong tea, possess properties that are particularly beneficial for people with diabetes. These teas aid in the regulation of blood sugar levels and the improvement of insulin sensitivity. These 8 drinks have been shown to naturally lower blood sugar levels: water, ginger tea, apple cider vinegar, coffee, coconut water, beetroot juice, red wine, and tea. We'd love to hear your experiences with these drinks in controlling your blood sugar. Share your thoughts in the comment section below and help others in our community. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get notified of our latest informative videos. Thank you for watching, and see you soon.